Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 back again with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a stuck-on magnet from your car. Now, already tried my method right here. There was another paw print type magnet there. Was able to get it off. There is still some residue on there. I might need to polish it up, use some compound just to get the remnants off of it. But I'm going to show you how to get a stuck-on magnet and bumper stickers off your car. Now this one right here is a magnet I put on there maybe, I want to say 3-4 months ago. Tried to take it off and it's stuck on there. So with the heat from the summer, kind of melted the magnet onto the car. So with my method, you'll be able to see how to exactly take all that off, and then just some simple just buffing it out. So stay tuned. So the only things you really need are a cleaner, paper towels, a heat gun. This is a cheap heat gun that I found at Goodwill for like $1, and some type of scraper. So let's show you how to properly do this. Step number one, pretty easy. Clean the area around it. Couple squirts. Clean all the debris around it here, because I'm going to be taking that one off too. So that is all clean. Now, like what I was saying before, stuck on there. Some of this was already peeled off, and I tried just taking the rest off by hand, and it just like kept breaking all over there. So now let's move on to step two. Step two is pretty easy. Just turn the heat gun on. You want to make sure you don't overheat the area, because then you could affect the clear coat and the paint. You just want to make it hot enough, that way the magnet starts peeling off a little bit. So you want to just heat that whole area up. Of course, I chose a cold, windy day to do this, but it is what it is. Now see, it's starting to peel up. That's a good sign. Now you don't want to pull too much at once, because it'll just break off. See that? I pushed a little too much, and then the whole thing just broke. Now sometimes it'd be better if you had like a plastic razor blade or a plastic upholstery tool or something like that. This is kind of flimsy, so it kind of melts a little easier, and especially when you heat it up, but it's coming off okay. Not the best, but we'll see how it is. I'm just gonna finish this up off camera and then show you guys how it looks. Okay, so here's what it looks like. There's still some residue on there, but I think if I spray it, it'll definitely look a little cleaner. Here, I'm gonna spray that. I mean, it definitely looks better than it did. Still not how I want it to be 100%. Might have to get one of those racer wheel type things. Clean that and then put some buffing compound on there. But it definitely works. Like, at least there's not a giant piece of magnet just stuck there. So if you step back, it looks pretty okay. Definitely think if I had like a regular scraper too, that would have helped a little bit better. But instead I have these so I have these like cheap, like plasticky applicators. I did have to switch because this one was just, the plastic was just starting to really get all rubbery. So that was hard. So now I'm gonna try and remove that sticker as well. I already cleaned that up, so put the heat gun on it and see how that works. Ooh, that's hot. Let me go grab a glove real quick. That way I don't burn my hand. So that one's gone. Another thing too that I've heard helps is like that Goo Gone. I heard that also helps remove like this type of stuff, because see, this is, I don't know if you obviously can't see it, but it's a little tacky. So that's that. Boom. Take a look at this. Now, thought I was on camera getting rid of the residue right there, but I wasn't. But I'll quickly tell you what I did. Took a bottle of soapy water, sprayed it right over that. And I took this bristle brush. I was just very gently just going in circles, and it was just coming right off. So easy. Also was able to get the majority of this stuff out too. Now I also removed the magnet that was right there. That one actually came off within, I don't know, maybe 20 seconds. Very little residue left over from that one. Probably because that was still a fairly fresh magnet. It's only been on there for like 3 months or so. Just came off easily. Very pleased with this. Very happy. I'm still gonna have to probably buff out right here a little bit just because you can still see the print, and I'm probably gonna do down here and up here just because that's where the magnet and the bumper sticker was on for a while, over a year. But overall, I am very, very pleased with this. So if you guys like this and want to see more, hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And comment, do you guys have any other tips for how to remove stuck-on magnets or bumper stickers? Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.